What's going on, YouTube? As you can see, the rains are coming down. Floodwaters are rising. Animals are seeking shelter in the most unusual places. And I'm not getting anything accomplished. Not. The call for rain. Well, you can see what it's doing. It's not raining. It's not doing anything. But I guarantee you, as soon as I start getting all of my stuff together to go across the street to start milling up some wood, the bottom will fall out, and I have to pack everything back up and just. I'm half tempted to go ahead and do it and see what happens. So that's a possibility. I don't know, because I got the mill up here. I got to put the longer bar on the chainsaw. I've got a chainsaw should be ready to go. All I need to do is put gas and oil in it, and I got plenty of two-stroke oil for it. Oh, I'm sorry, got dark there for a second. And I need to do it. I've only been up for a little while now, and I haven't even gone through a pot of coffee. I've gone through a cup and a half. I need to get moving on this. Need to get motivated. Need to get going. I can't worry about whether it is going to rain. I gotta think about the fact that it's not raining at the moment, and just do this so I can get a comparison in. I at least need to run Kyler's chain that he sent me. I'll have a link to that up here, how he did that, and or try to anyways. And run what else did I have? Oh yeah, the Oregon ripping chain. Compare those. It's going to be time consuming. Just hope I don't run out of time or the weather window. It's a little breezy out, so it's going to mean chips are going to be flying if I do this. I just need to do it. Means I need to get off my butt and get moving. Temperatures dropped a little bit. It was sweltering warm earlier. I'll put you down for a second. Ow! Put it on my foot. It was warm. Temperature's coming down. It's calling for about a 30% chance of rain, and we'll find out. If it does rain, I have other things I need to do, but again, getting everything set up and then having it rain and then doing all that and tearing it down and putting it back up, ain't nothing to it but to do it, right? So let's see how that goes. Just a quick video, let you know that the rain is coming down. Everybody to the lifeboats, women and children first. clouds are moving in, so it might just rain. Choices. We all have them. We all need to make them. But if you avoid them, right or wrong, you're not accomplishing anything. So I need to do something. I need to go ahead and just get doing it, work it, and see how it goes from there. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and poke that little button right there for me, please. Share it with your friends and family. And this video here is chosen for you specifically by YouTube for your viewing pleasure. This one is going to be one of my most recent ones. And always, please, leave comments. I enjoy the comments. Alright? Y'all have a good one. Bye.